This video is to show you how to add music through iMovie using your iPhone. I'm going to use one of my videos already edited, and I'm going to show you how I use and adjust the music in iMovie using my iPhone. Hello friends, God bless you on this blessed Sunday morning. Just want to give you some morning inspiration. First, whenever you use your music, just know that your music is going to come in 100%. It's up to you to adjust it, and it's so easy to do it. Your music and your volume of your voice is two different things. So you have the power to adjust the music and to adjust your voice. Now let's talk about this fade in and fade out button. How many of you use this? Now this is used for the volume of your music. So when the music come in, you can adjust it 3 to 4 seconds and it brings it in a little smoother. It's just like movie videos. It just gives us a smooth finish. Now let's take another look at this fade button. Remember, this is attached to the adjustment of the music. You can adjust the beginning of your music 3 and 4 seconds, and that will bring it in smooth, and it will end the videos with a smooth going out sound, as well as it coming in smoothly. Just know you have to adjust the fade button coming in on your music and going out. You have to adjust it. Now let me show you how to adjust the sound. All you have to do is hit on the green button, which is your music, and the volume key should appear. And that's how you have the control to adjust it. Remember, music varies. Some music is recorded more louder than others. Sometimes you might have to turn up the volume. But if it's too loud over your voice or your video and what you're saying, then you really have to adjust it. This final tip, just in case you will probably try to adjust the music and certain part of your video will be louder than others, or you just want to take the music out, you're going to have to use the scissors, and you're going to have to cut the beginning as well as the end. And the piece that you have cut, then you are able to adjust it, take it out all the way down to 0, or adjust it lower. So it's just how you want to really work it. So you're really going to have to practice at this. So I hope that this really helped. I really wanted to take time to explain this, but just be careful when you're using music that you don't get copyright, and be so careful, guys, because when you come into these videos, sometimes the music are so loud and we cannot hear your voices. So we're learning in this. So sometimes I err myself, but I hope that this tutorial has helped you, and y'all have a blessed day and go into your evening, into your morning. And God bless you. Love you from Penny, and bye-bye.